and secure your loose articles as if you don't want them. Well, neither do we. Now, with a toot of the whistle from our engineer, we'll be on our way to the Martinsville train depot, and on the way, we'll see some of the past and present of Six Flags Over Georgia. After adding no new sections to the park for 7 years, in 1980, Six Flags Over Georgia opened Jolly Rogers Island. Its nautical and pirate theme had a slight tie to Georgia history, primarily the seaports along Georgia's eastern coast, and swashbucklers of all flags were welcome. The main attraction of Jolly Rogers Island was a ride called the Flying Dutchman, which was a replica pirate ship that guests could ride and swing to new heights on. There were pirates and treasure aplenty for a few years until the Batman movie franchise started in 1989, and Jolly Rogers Island was transformed into Gotham City with Batman the Ride, the Mindbender, and the Joker Chaos Coaster, now making up the main attractions in Gotham City today. Six Flags Over Georgia has had many firsts over the years. Looking to your left, you'll see the Daredevil Dive Coaster, and in March 2016, this ride was the first virtual reality coaster in North America. And on your right is the coaster, and was introduced at Six Flags Over Georgia on March 31st, 1978. The Mindbender was created and custom built by coaster designer Anton Schwarzkopf, and was billed as the only triple loop coaster in the world and the only roller coaster with a horizontal loop. In 1997, the Mindbender was painted neon green in conjunction with the theme of Gotham City, and the Mindbender trains were painted solid black with Riddler green question marks all over them to reflect the mind-bending experience of the ride. Look to your right and you'll see what was originally called Log Flume Number 2. Now, why call this ride Log Flume Number 2 when currently this is the only log flume ride at Six Flags Over Georgia? Back in 1977, the Log Jamboree was one of the original rides to open with the park, and it represented early Georgia's logging industry. Because the Log Jamboree was so popular, a second flume was added for the 1968 season. The two flume routes intertwined with each other. Log Flume Number 2, as it's called, featured a final descent with a huge fiberglass log-shaped tunnel. Log Flume Number 2 also had an animatronic lumberjack who chopped the passing boat with his axe. He was removed sometime in 1976. The original 1967 Log Flume Number 1 was removed in 1990 to make room for another water ride, Raging Rivers, which in turn gave way to the stand-up coaster George's Scorcher, which opened at Six Flags Over Georgia on April 17, 1999. Through the trees to the left, you'll see the largest roller coaster at Six Flags Over Georgia, Goliath. Goliath travels over 4,480 feet of track and actually goes outside of the park and back inside the park before returning to the station. Goliath is Six Flags Over Georgia's hypercoaster and reaches over 200 feet in height. Looking to your right through the trees, you'll see the promenade area of the park. Six Flags founder, Mr. Angus G. Wynn Jr., had a vision in park experience in areas of the country where such entertainment was unknown. He opened Six Flags Over Texas in 1961, and soon thereafter began planning a second theme park in Georgia, to be known as Six Flags Over Georgia. A plaque located in the flower bed across from Miss Dixie's Depot in the Peachtree Square Center of the park acknowledges Mr. Wynn's invaluable contributions to Six Flags and Six Flags Over Georgia. We are entering the Martinsville train depot. Please take the time to collect your belongings, and please wait to exit the train until you hear the whistle from our engineer. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the history of the park and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Watch your step as you exit the train, and we'll see you on the rails.